This is the cartridge exchange procedure for the minimalist style handle. Before attempting the cartridge exchange, isolate the hot and cold supply and remove the bar valve from the wall. Do this by disconnecting the shower kit and then unscrewing the two large nuts at the back of the valve body. Remove the handle from the temperature control valve. This is done by unscrewing the chrome lever in the side of the handle. Once removed, this reveals a grub screw. Remove the grub screw with the Allen key provided and you will be able to pull the handle off the valve. You will then need to remove the brass lug. Then you will see the cartridge, which is held in place with a large hollow brass retaining nut. Unscrew the retaining nut and you will then be able to remove the cartridge cap. Now remove the cartridge components in turn. The spring cover washer, spring, castle piece, and hot water seat. Obtain and lay out the new cartridge component pieces ready for reassembly. Now reassemble in the order of hot water seat, castle piece pushed into place, spring, spring cover. Ease the piston O-ring onto the cap. Ease the piston into position with copper end exposed. Insert the cartridge cap and ease this into position with the alignment lugs running in the two channels. Push it firmly down to a stop. Hold the cartridge cap in position and obtain the retaining nut. Pass the nut over the cartridge cap and screw into place without over-tightening. Fit the brass lug and then fit the bar valve back to the wall prior to calibration.